Hi, Ashley here with HeartHookHome.com, and today we are going to learn how to Tunisian crochet. Tunisian crochet is so pretty, it's pretty easy, and it's almost like a cross between crocheting and knitting. So we do have a crochet hook with a very long tube. This is a 48-inch tube for working on very wide projects. You can also find these aluminum hooks available at just about every craft store. I think Walmart even has them. You have a crochet hook on one end and a stopper on the other, so it's almost like a knitting needle, but it definitely is a crochet hook. So let's get started. With Tunisian, you're going to make a chain just basically as wide as you want your piece to be. So go ahead and make your slip knot. Grab your hook. I'm using one of the ones from my set there. We're going to make a chain as wide as you'd like it to be. So I'm just going to do a short chain here. Now, with Tunisian, you're going to pull up all of these loops on your hook, okay? So I like to look at the back side of my chain. It makes the front side look better when we're done. So we're going to skip that first one right there. We're going to insert our hook under the back bar of that second chain and pull up a loop. Instead of doing anything with it, we're going to leave that right where it is, and we're going to insert our hook under the next back bar and pull up a loop. Now, instead of doing anything with that, we're going to go under the next and pull up a loop. And we're going to pull up these loops all the way to the end of our chain. So continue pulling up these loops all the way till you get to the end of that chain. And now that we're there, we've got our entire first row just about ready to complete. Right? So you can see if you have a very wide piece, that's why you would need all of this tubing, is to push all your stitches down so that you can continue working here. So to start row one, or to finish row one, we are going to pull our yarn through once on that last one. Now, to finish the rest of the row, we're going to yarn over and pull through two. Yarn over and pull through two. Yarn over and pull through two. Yarn over, pull through two. All the way to the end. Boom. So that is our completed row one of Tunisian crochet. How easy is that? Isn't that fun? Let's do another one. So for row two, in order to start, this loop that's on your hook is actually going to be the side of row two. See how this is row one and this is the side of row two. Now, so to start the next one, we're going to go underneath these vertical bars. You see all these vertical bars that we just created? Now we're going to go under the first and pull up a loop. Go under the next bar and pull up a loop. Under the next, under the next, under the next, all the way to the end of the row. When we get to the end, what I find makes a cleaner edge here is if I go under both sides of this V. So I'm going to hook under both sides of that V on that last stitch. Pull through. So now I'm ready to complete row two. So we're going to pull through one, and that's your side stitch. Now we're going to yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, all the way to the end of the row. Yarn over, pull through two. So here are where we started our rows. Here's one and two. And then on the other side, we've got one, and this will be two when we come back through. So let's do another one. Insert your hook into that first vertical bar and pull up loops all the way across this row. When you get to the end, go through both sides of that V, pull up that loop. Now we are ready to complete row 3. So we're going to pull through 1. That creates the side of that stitch. Now we're going to pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, all the way to the end. Isn't this so much easier than it looks? It's so fun, and it goes so fast. Now, we've got 3 rows completed. I'm going to go ahead and pretend like we're going to fasten off. In order to do that, I'm going to go under that first vertical like I would if I was creating a new row, but I'm going to go under that first vertical bar, and instead of pulling up a loop, I'm going to slip stitch. So now I'm going to go through all of these vertical bars, slip stitching the entire way across. Slip stitch all the way. And that is how you fasten off with Tunisian crochet. When you get to the end, go through both of those V's like we've been doing and slip stitch. And there you have a completed tiny little Tunisian crochet project. Isn't that fun? It's a lot of fun. I have a new crochet pattern coming out featuring the Tunisian Simple Crochet stitch, so I'm excited to share that with you. I enjoy making videos, and I thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.